Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Beyond the Pedal. And today, no, we are not at Croft Circuit. We are here at Wynyard Hall for the JPC Motorsport event, and I think it's going to shape up to be quite a nice day. Not too sure what it is. It's a very last-minute impromptu event turn up, but I think it's going to be quite an interesting day. Supercars, retro cars. I think there's an above section, modified cars, yeah, all the above. So let's have a little look around, see what it's all about. And we'll have a great day. See you in a minute. So we've been here for about 5-10 minutes, and already this is an incredible. I don't even know where to even begin with how to describe what I am seeing here. The collection of cars here is unbelievable. I pretty much think we've seen some of our old friends from the RS car show as well, from the RS meet from the other week. This is, I'll just spin you around and you can see. Yep, and we've hardly even begun, so yeah, wow, what a day this is going to be. Well, I think realistically it makes sense to make a Riverside little supercar collection, really, doesn't it? Yeah, that makes sense. Let's do that. Let's go and have a look at some outrageous cars. I'll just show you. The epitome of outrageous. I think I just died, went to heaven. This is outrageous. Oh.
If you
impressive collection of supercars. I think the absolute showstopper was that NSX, because that was just incredible. So we're going to have a look at some of the retro sort of classics, probably take a little walk over to the Porsche bit, then the Ferrari bit, and the Bentley bit, then some of the classic bits. It's just an incredible collection of cars today. But some of these supercars, whew, stop it, whew, stop it.
It's all these cars in it coming out, all the NSX will come out.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but that was quite the spectacle. Some outrageous car launches there, that's for sure. But now we're just taking a little look around some classics that people have brought down for people to have a little look around and see. So let's have a little wander around here. Just an incredible collection. You've got like Evos to MGs to like Ford Capris. The range of cars that have been brought down today is just fantastic. I've just spotted a 308 GTI. Let's have a little look at this classic. Words, I can't even formulate words at the moment because the collection of here, the range that we're seeing, like there's an old school Rover 400 here, all the way to Sierra Cosworths, Escort Mexicos, Escort Mexico, variation of Porsches, it's an E-Type Jag that you would have just seen on the clips there. Just an incredible collection of cars here at the JPC Motorsport event. Wow, right. I suppose we're going to have a look at some Porsches and Bentleys and some more Ferraris, I suppose. Oh, what a day. Oh.
I was told it was urgent, come see me tonight. In the circle we're flirting and we danced for hours. She knew that she had me, but I didn't realize I'm sleeping with a vampire. Got lost in the city when we drove through the night. Stopped by in an alley and she kissed me while
I didn't ever expect to see one in the flesh, and yet here one is, the 911 to 992 GT3, and in the flesh, this thing is, have a look.
She knew I was waiting through months in pain. The one day she texted me at 12 a.m. I knew that she had me, and I started to see that I've been hooked up by a vampire. She said I'm sorry, I left you behind, and I know it sounds funny that it was.
I see Aston Martin have brought a little collection of outrageous cars as well. I guess we'll have to have a look at those as well. Oh. Well, that concludes another episode of Beyond the Pedal, and this event, this JPC Motorsport Prestige Super Fan Dabby Dozy Car Show has been exactly that. A last impromptu sort of event that I just happened to see, thanks to Mr. BTP by the way. You've come along and it has just been fantastic. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please, you know the routine, like, subscribe, comment, etc, 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 and don't forget to follow us on pretty much all social media platforms. Beyond the Pedal, yeah, Beyond the Pedal, that's what it is. Yeah, well, thanks for watching, and wow, yeah, what a day, what a spectacle of cars. Yeah, well, that's me signing off for now. See you on the next video. Cheers guys, thanks a lot.